In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Eightcap to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create either a live or a demo account inside your Eightcap portal over here. And then whenever you do that, you'll basically receive your login credentials for MT5 onto your email. Okay, so the email you used to sign in, of course, you'll be getting your credentials onto that email. Now, in case you don't know how to create an account, you can click on New Account over here. Make sure you select MT5 as the platform, select Live or Demo, currency, balance, leverage, and the account type, and then just request a new account, and then that's going to be created and you will receive your credentials. After that, what you're going to have to do is you want to open up MT5 on your computer, go to File, top left, and click on Open an Account. Here you want to look for Eightcap, like this, press Find Your Company, and it should find the Eightcap over here. Select the one that's right for you. For me, it's Eightcap EU. I'm going to click on this one, and then Next. And then here you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account, and then the login is going to be inside your account. It's also going to be called Eightcap username or Eightcap login, so something like that. It's just a number like this. Then you're going to receive a password to log in. There we go. I'm going to copy it, and then the server for me is the EU Live. Then click on Finish. And as you can see over here, I've now successfully connected my Eightcap demo account on here onto MetaTrader 5. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.